That's him right there. That's him.
He looks like a face you can't trust.
You'll see him in a
I
second.
tell you what.
Oh, this is it. Yeah.
And you quiet too. I got something about a quiet motherfucker, man. I mean, you know what? I like a motherfucker that talks stupid.
I told you why he's quiet.
Before I know you told me that's why. I know you told me that's
he
why.
listens.
But yeah, yeah.
He actually listens and responds.
Who in history else do that shit? And become to be a dictator, a ruler.
And he smiles when you're nice to him.
Yeah, fuck all that.
Hitler was a myth.
Nah, fuck all that
Hitler
bullshit.
was- that didn't
Fuck all that
happen.
quiet shit. I don't care. You can't be skulking around me. Get the fuck around me.
I know.
Sniffing and skulking.
We got our
and
eyes
seeing
on
my
him.
goods and they ain't telling me. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, your wallet's right there. You want to get it? You know.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh, thank you, man. Give me a wallet. You know, this motherfucker, he'll probably walk by your wallet. I don't know if he's gonna pick it up or what. I don't know. I don't know if he's seen the paperwork. I don't know. I don't trust. I don't trust. You too motherfucking quiet, man. I'd rather put a motherfucker that talk too much. But not more than me.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, because that would irritate me. I trust you, but that irritate me. But I'm just saying, a quiet motherfucker, I gotta wonder, man. I got the fucking wonder, man. You're too fucking quiet for too long. You know, it'd be different if you quiet in the beginning. Okay, you shy. But if you quiet after a year, you up to something. What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
Plotting for sure.
Something's
up.
Man, my Jew blood come out. I'm telling you, man.
Did you say Jew blood?
Yeah, my
That's
Jew blood
hilarious.
come out, man. It's like, you
That's
too
too
motherfucking
funny.
quiet. I can't